Why set up two-factor authentication?
Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to your devices and accounts. By requiring a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone, it makes it much harder for unauthorized users to gain access, even if they have your password.
Getting started, what you need.
Before enabling two-factor authentication, make sure you have your device, internet access, and either a smartphone or an alternate email address. You might also need to download an authentication app like Google Authenticator or Authy, depending on the service you're securing.
Enabling 2FA on your accounts.
Go to the security settings of your account or device. Look for an option labeled two-factor authentication or two-step verification. Follow the prompts to link your phone number, email, or authentication app. Services may guide you through scanning a QR code or entering a verification code.
Using an Authenticator app.
Authenticator apps generate unique time-based codes for you to enter when logging in. After scanning the QR code provided by the service, open the app each time you sign in to retrieve the new code. This is often more secure than text message codes as it works offline and is less vulnerable to attacks.
Backup and recovery options.
Always save your backup codes and add a recovery email or phone number. These help you regain access if you lose your device. Store backup codes in a safe place, never publicly, to ensure you don't get locked out of your accounts.
Staying secure with 2FA.
Once set up, always use 2FA when prompted. Stay alert for suspicious login attempts and update your recovery information if you change devices. Enabling two-factor authentication significantly increases your security and helps keep your personal data safe.